Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Taiba Hasa Kicks, and I have a new pickup in the house. This is an AirTag tracker by the Bocsnorcp brand. Now, I received this about 3 days in the mail. Didn't get a chance to do a video till today. So it comes in a package of 2. It includes a black tracker, and it comes with a little attachment here. You can hook it up to your keys, which I already did because I always lose my key. I'm notorious for losing stuff all the time. So I've attached this to my keys. And this tracker is about like 0.53 ounce. So it's not that heavy and it's really practical. Now, this is a great alternative for the Apple AirTag. It comes with a manual. The manual has a lot of instructions, but honestly, you don't need to read all of that because it's easy to use, okay? Now, there's some things that I want to tell you about this tracker. Again, it's naturally is a tracker, so you can track your items, your wallet. I left my wallet on top of my vehicle. I left my keys in the refrigerator. So if you need something to track your items, this is great for it. Now, another thing is this: if you leave something behind, this tracker can help you because there's a notification. You have to turn it on, and once that's enabled, if your item is out of range, there's going to be a beep that's going to sound, and that's going to let you know that, hey, you left something behind, go back and get it. And then also there's privacy protection. Basically, when you use this Bocsnorcp tag, the location and information are never stored on the tag. So neither Apple nor the product manufacturer knows the whereabouts of your items. So only you can access it. That's great. And this is also cost effective, okay? It comes with like 2 replaceable batteries in it. And then there's no, pretty much, once you buy this item, this is it. They don't require any additional payment, and you can use it to track your items indefinitely. So this is great. Now I'm gonna show you how to quickly use it. As you can see, I'm already using it on my keys. So the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna learn how to like pair this to our phone again. You can use this with the Apple Find My app. You can use it with it, all right? So let's get to that now. All right, guys, so now I'm gonna show you how to use it, right? So the first thing you wanna do is go and Find My. That's the app. And then you pick up your device, right? So this one I've already turned on, so I'm not gonna do that. So this one, to turn it on again, you have to press this for 3 seconds, the button here, right? Let's see again. Yeah, 3 seconds, hold it. 1, 2, 3, right? Now it's on, you hear the beep beep, and then after that you have to hold it down for like 5 seconds, and it's gonna make another sound. Double press to hear the chime. Okay, now we are ready to like pair this, right? Make sure your Bluetooth is turned on your phone. The Bluetooth has to be turned on, okay? And now we're gonna open the app, and then we're gonna put add items, okay? So I'm gonna add a supported item, so it's looking for it. Found it. That's the Bocsnorcp, all right, AirTag, and then I'm gonna connect it. So I'm gonna enter a name. I'm gonna just call it HK because that's my initials, HK, Hasa Kicks. And then I'm gonna give it an emoji, right? The emoji or whatever, emoji, is gonna be this one here. My son is laughing at me, don't mind him. All right, so I agree, and there we go. Now we're gonna finish the setup, and there you go. So now it tells you exactly where the stuff is, right? This is right in my house right now, so I'm not gonna show my address. I'm not gonna do that. So it's gonna give you the directions, okay? Now, let's say this is hooked up to my key, and my key is somewhere away, right? Play this sound. Do you hear that? It tells you exactly where the stuff is, and there's other functions, right? So if you wanna add people that can have access to it, you can do that if you want. Now, I'm gonna turn this one on. It's actually already on, right? If I leave this behind, and I'm like, it's out of range, it's gonna beep to let me know, hey, listen, you left your key behind. So this is incredible, all right? Lost mode is here. I'm gonna enable that. So the functions are incredible. I'm gonna put my number there. I don't want you to see my number. All right, so I put my number, and I'm gonna activate these babies. So this is an incredible tool, man. Like for someone like me that loses his keys all the time and loses his stuff, I definitely find this very useful. And the battery will last you at least like a year. And they have like replacement. You can get it. It's only like probably less than $1. I don't know how much this flat battery costs, but this is a great tool for it. So you can replace it. And it comes with that hanger and the hang tag, all right? Again, thanks Bocsnorcp. If you want this item, I'll give you a link in the description. Again, thanks for watching. This is Ty from Master Kicks.